What's up, good people? So today video is going to be on the Silverado. We are going to put a camera in here to this tailgate, and we're going to run these wires up to the front. So let me see if I can spot y'all somewhere y'all can see. I don't think I actually can, but we're going to give it a try. Can y'all get it right there? I don't think y'all can, but might be able to see it right there. So we're gonna pop this open. So we got a so-called camera in here, but it's not working. Now they never like that crap, so we're going to do something a little bit different. This here comes to the tailgate handle. Run our wires, and we should be Gucci. Yeah, it's garbage. Almost forgot. I gotta take that lock out. This lock is going to go into the new one. So we'll save this and do that lock later. Now, we gotta figure out how we gonna get this wire down through this tailgate. Then out. That's what we're gonna do. It's not gonna be a hard figure, but it's gonna be enough. So same time doing this, need to put in a new radio as well. So, oh boy. So here we gotta add some wire. I gotta see what I got up under there, because I'm gonna use it. Yep. Oh. Oh, police, okay. All right, so let us look in here. Now, before you go ham on me, there's some wires in here, man, I never got them really connected. And I got them connected, but what I'm saying is that I never did a proper cleanup. Plus, if you guys know me, I've never been good with getting wires cleaned in particular places. So just take a look. You see that? So as you can see this here, right here, it's all open to the elements and stuff like that. So, where's my wire at? So here we go. So here's my wire, and it's coming back here. So I got it caught up in this thing here with this. So I need to clean all this here up. So we got wires running through here. These are the wires for my third light, and this wire here is running through here, and it should be running that way and that way. If you've seen that, it should be running this direction through that hole. All right, guys. So I found out where my wires are running to, so I'm I'm gonna trace those wires back with the new one. Now, this here is self-explanatory how to put it in. You can just slide it in just easy. You got a big side on here and a little side on here, and you just slide right back in there. I'm gonna use this power probe here to find out where my power is. I think I know, but I'm gonna use the power probe to make sure that I'm on the right deal. And then I'm gonna get back to y'all here in a few minutes. So let me find out what's going on, and then we're gonna do what needs to be done. All right, now one thing that I've just learned is that this screw right here has to be screwed out, well, taken out, because it screws right into the back of this thing here. So make sure you do that so that you don't have no issues. Everything else should plug right up without an issue. So now we got to run this wire through this hole right there, and then we'll start running our wires. All right, guys, so we started running our wires here. As you can see, we're coming out of that hole right there, coming this way. Got to figure out exactly what I'm gonna do with these just yet. I think I'm gonna hook this red up to the reverse lights. So I'm thinking I'm gonna hook the ground to a ground somewhere around here. Run it through here to keep it from getting pinched. Now, let me show you the mess that I gotta navigate through. So here is the wire right here for the one that we take out. So and here go a red wire right here that's coming from somewhere up in the cab. I think I'm gonna use that one. I think this here is going to the reverse lights, and here go a ground. So I might just tap into these too. But here I gotta go with this thing here, and seeing how my wire is coming right here, I think I'm gonna go up. I'm gonna go up over this and follow down the one. Follow it down like this one here. Go across there. And as we get in here, we got a ground right here that I can tap into if I wanted to. But I don't think I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna keep moving. Here go these wires right here. I'm not gonna mess with the red. But here's the red or the black one. But here is the wire for the old camera. Okay, there we go. And I'm gonna trail it down with following those wires, and it goes in right here. So I'm gonna bring the wire up to here, up to this point, and then I gotta go inside and remove the carpet and the seats and stuff. What's up, guys? So it's the next day here, and after pulling out the carpet, this is what we got. It's soaking wet in here, man. And it's because these gaskets here wasn't sealed. You can lift them straight off, but I put some silicone behind it and sealed it down. So hopefully that'll stop that water from coming in. Hopefully. So that's what I think it is. Because we got the water spots up there in the corner there, and water spots in that corner there as well. But this whole floor was damn wet. So hopefully it got better. So, but anyway, now we got to get to getting this radio out. See how my radio all cracked up? So we got to take this panel off. So we got the wire coming up through here. Matter of fact, here go the wire right here. The old wire, all up under here, and it going. That's not it. That's my ground wire. So that's the ground wire. So this wire here is the other wire. Yep. So as you can see, this wire here laying there, and it's going up all behind here. So let me get this panel off, and I'm gonna take this one off, and then I'll get to this one, because this one here, matter of fact, nah, I'll take the bottom off, then I'll pull this one off, because this one, can I Matter of fact. Yep. Oh, this one here probably got to come off too. But what we got in there is this here snaps in. This one here got a bolt right there and a bolt right there. So, and I gotta pop this here because it's got a 10mm behind it up in there. So we'll get that, and we'll see what else other panels got to come off. But I know this one got to come off, and then probably this one got to come off, and then this one should pop right out. So unless I gotta pop this here crap off too as well, but it's easy to pop out, so won't be an issue. Alright, so we gotta pull out those screws right there, to get that broke radio out of there. Matter of fact, let me go get my radio that I'm putting in there. It's a little cheap radio, but it's just for this thing here, so let me go get it. So what's up, guys? So I guess we done got it back together. Cheap old damn radio. I mean, very cheap. Don't even have a damn GPS on it, so hook up. So it's very cheap, but it's gonna do what I need to do for right now. I don't need no sounds in here anyway. I just need to be able to connect my phone and run my maps off of it, and that's it. And I should be able to do that. Well, I know I can do that because I can connect my phone and stuff. So, but what I'm gonna do is, well, for one thing, I need to get off of this damn stool here. Well, this bucket. I'm going to connect up, turn the truck on, and I'm going to show you guys that the reverse camera works. Matter of fact, it works damn good too. So let's get that on there. Now, you turn that down. All right. So we put it in reverse. Oh, missed reverse. There you go. There we go. As you can see, the reverse camera works. You get a glare, but there you go, right there. My car is behind it, right there. Shut up, thing. Damn. So then it goes back to radio. Put it in reverse. Goes there. So there you go, guys. So only thing left to do is to put this stuff up here, but I gotta clean all this stuff here up first and try to dry up this water some more, this wet pad some more, and yeah, and get ready to put in my new carpet. So that's gonna bring this video to an end. Like, comment, and subscribe, and we're gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace.